What are these?
Vowels.
Vowels. Okay. Can we see the letters?
Yeah, letters. A, E.
What's the sound?
A, E, A, I, A, O, O, U, R.
Okay, so these are the vowels.
Vowels.
Okay.
Okay.
What are these?
Consonants.
Consonants. There you go. So let's see the sounds.
B, K, J, G, J, K, O, S, T, W, X, Y, Z.
Okay. There you go. So these are the consonants.
Consonants.
Okay.
Okay.
What's this?
It.
Okay, let's go. Open.
Set.
Sit. Okay. So you say it like this.
It.
What's the sound?
Fit.
Fit. Okay. It.
It.
What's the sound?
Kit.
Kit. Okay. It.
It. Jet.
And this is L. So what's the sound?
O.
Let.
Let. It. Pit.
Okay.
D. B.
Okay. This is what?
It. Bit.
Bit. Okay.
It. Hit. It.
Net.
Net.
I'll teach you more on this. Okay.
This.
Yeah.
Good job.
Good job.
We are finished.